How to delete a payee on Barclays Mobile App. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can delete a payee on your Barclays Mobile App. So start by opening the Chrome or any other browsers on your smartphone. And in the search bar, type barclays.co.uk and press enter. And click on the first link that appears, which will take you to the official website of Barclays Banking. And once you are there, on the top right corner of the mobile screen, you will see the menu icon. Simply tap on the menu icon and scroll down to the bottom and select Help and Support. Now, Barclays allow you to delete a payee in online banking only if there are no future dated payments or standing orders scheduled. If there are future payments, you will need to cancel them and wait until they are processed before deleting the payee. And now to delete a payee in Barclays mobile app, go to the Pay and Transfer section in the main menu and select Manage and Track. And once you have done that, tap on Manage SIP Payees. And from there, you can choose the payee you want to delete and just confirm the action. And that's it. You have successfully deleted a payee on the Barclays mobile app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.